Hi, my name's Vicky. I'm the lead tutor for sports therapy here at Hastings College.
Hi, my name's Deanna James and I am a sports lecturer here at East Sussex College, Hastings, and I work alongside Vicky in the delivery of our sports therapy course.
We currently offer our level 3 and 4 qualification. Now we're the only provider within the local area to allow you to train on 2 qualifications within the 1 academic year. So the level 3 qualification is made up of 5 units. Those units range from anatomy and physiology, fitness testing and training, soft tissue dysfunction, so sports injuries, professional practice, and also sports massage practical and treatments here in our full training salon. Our level 4 qualification is the advanced training for that, which allows you to progress onto different elements within sports massage using more advanced techniques, and it opens up your clientele, allowing you to work on pathological tissue. Currently, our level 3 and 4 students progress out into the NHS. So we've had 4 of our previous students over the 10 years that we've been running this course progress and work in the NHS. We have a variety of different students that work at club level locally. So they're working with cricket teams, rugby teams, football teams that have been highly successful. Alongside that, they go and build up their own business. So off their own back, they will work self-employed or they may work with a peer from the group. We also have students that have gone into the army, so they've trained with us here on our sport and public service courses, and they've moved off into the army, and they're using their sports therapy grounding and that underpinning knowledge to be able to go in the medical side in terms of their chosen career within the industry in the army.
We always go on camp right at the start of the academic year, so when everyone else is sat in classrooms doing boring work, we're out having fun. Camp has consisted previously of camping in tents or staying in chalets. We normally go for 3 to 4 days. This gives you the opportunity to meet the peers from your course and the other courses within our department, get to know the staff, and generally sort of have a bit more of an ease into settling into a new environment, with the opportunity also at the end of our camping week to have a fun day out at Thorpe Park.
We, not so long ago, went on a trip to Brighton Football Club where we had exclusive access to their medical team and their players. We got to understand how day-to-day running of the club went in terms of the medical side, and also how players go from the point of being injured to rehabilitation to coming straight through into them coming back out into playing fully recovered post-injury. And that was with their first team whilst they were in the championship. That was a very, very valuable trip, and the students absolutely loved it.
Our facilities, we have full working training salons. These salon spaces are shared with our beauty and spa students as well, and when we're not in a pandemic, we have the amazing opportunity to use real life clients and customers who will come in and book in for treatments with you once you are at a stage where you feel ready and confident to deliver your treatments that we've trained you in, and also then it's the best opportunity for you in terms of your assessments and your observations. Why should you join us as a sports therapy student? Well, other than our amazing multi-purpose facilities, which include our training salons, all of our staff in our department are now qualified or have experience in the industry and this area, and you can also relate this qualification to progressing courses such as personal training and sports coaching. So there's lots of opportunities for further qualifications to link in with our sports therapy qualification for the future.